Welcome back to my channel, you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be using the 35V palette by Morphe. And I do have a disclaimer. My nails look really bad in this video. I'm sorry, just ignore it. I'm going to go ahead and start off with this shade right here called Scandal. And this is going to be my transition shade. And like I do with all my transition shades, I'm going to put it in my crease and all over my lid. After that, I'm going to jump into a orangey shade called Turned On, and I'm going to put this in my crease with a smaller brush just to start adding some color into the crease. And then after that, I am going to apply a darker orangey shade called Heat, and actually started using a new technique. For this shade, I'm going to be actually using a smaller brush, and I'm going to be stamping it into my crease. I started using this technique because I saw other beauty influencers use it, and I actually saw a difference. I noticed I was getting more payoff and more pigmentation from my eyeshadows after I started using this technique, so I've been using it ever since. And then I'm going to be grabbing a clean brush, and I'm going to be blending that out because you don't want no harshness. And then I'm going to jump into this green shade called Devoted, and I was really disappointed with this shade. It wasn't as green as I thought it was going to be. It looks more greener in the pan. When I applied it, it looked really dark, and I didn't like the way it made the eyeshadow look, so I immediately regretted putting this eyeshadow. But since I had already used it, I just went along with it. But I think this shade will look better on its own. Now I'm going to jump into this blue shade called Fling, and I'm going to be putting that on top of the green just because I really wanted to cover up the green because I didn't like the way it looked, and I actually like the way this came out. Now I'm going to be grabbing this blue shimmery shade called Stud, and I'm going to be putting this on 3/4 of the lid. And I actually love how this eyeshadow looks on the lid. It's so bright and blue. And then I'm going to be grabbing the one next to it, which is called Rendezvous. I believe that's how you say it. And I'm going to put that on the inner corner of the lid. And then after that, I'm going to be winging it out because, you know, that's what I do. I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Skinny Tip eyeliner. And I do recommend this eyeliner to you guys. It is really affordable, and it is super black. And the tip is so tiny, so it makes your eyeliner come out really thin and sharp. Then I'm going to be going in with my NYX Vivid Bright eyeliner in the shade Sapphire, which is a blue eyeliner. And I'm going to be putting this on underneath the wing, the black wing, just to give it a little bit of definition and some more color. And I really love these eyeliners. They dry down really quick, and they're not patchy or anything. With one swipe and you get the pigmentation that you need. Then I'm going to be moving on to lashes. I'm going to be using my Tress Chic lashes in the style Fierce. I do have a discount code, so if you guys want to use it. And then after that, I'm going to be smoking out my bottom lash with the same blue shades that I applied to my lid. And then I'm going to be adding my Sex Kitten eyeliner by Tarte in my waterline. I'm also going to use it to tightline. I love this eyeliner. It is really pigmented, and it actually lasts all day, and I do recommend it to you guys. It's a little bit pricey, but I think it's worth the money. Then after that, I'm gonna give my lashes a quick curl just to really make sure that the fake ones and the real ones are blended together.
Blended? What the fuck? Anyways,
I'm gonna be moving on to my mascara. I'm gonna be using the Roller Lash by Benefit. I actually really like this mascara. I recently started using it, and I do recommend it to you guys. Now I'm gonna be moving on to contour. I'm gonna be using the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula, and I'm gonna be contouring my face, and I'm also gonna be using it to contour my nose. Let me know if you guys want to see a video of how I contour my nose. I do have a video of how I contour my whole face on my channel, but if you guys want to see a dedicated video on how I contour my nose, let me know. Now I'm going to move on to blush. I'm going to be using my Serafina blush by Juvia's Place. Girl, I love this blush so much. I packed this shit on so hard. It's just so pretty, and it lasts all day. I don't know. I'm like a blush whore. I just love blush, you know. And that's when I'm going to move on to my highlights. I'm going to be using my Butter Highlighter by Physicians Formula. I forgot the shade name of this one, but it is really pretty. So I'm going to be highlighting my whole face with this. And I'm also going to be using it to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. I realized that this highlighter goes with any look, like literally any look. So this one became my everyday highlighter, like literally every day. Even for work, I put this baby on. And then I did use a sponge to really press that into the skin, just because I felt like that really helps to really make your highlight look a little bit more natural. So I do recommend that tip for you guys. Now I'm going to be moving on to my lips. I'm going to be outlining my lips with my Rainbow London Exaggerate lip liner. I'm going to be outlining my lips. And then for lipstick, I'm going to be using my Beige Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Serena. I think that's how you pronounce it. I can't see the shade name so well because it is really, really small. But I think that's the name of it. And then after that, I did apply lip gloss on top, of course. And I applied my Can You Not lip gloss by Dose of Colors. You guys already know I love this gloss. It goes with every look. And that's it for this video, you guys. This is the final look right here. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I love how this look came out. The blue wing is like amazing. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos with this eyeshadow palette. Let me know what videos you guys want to see on my channel. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye guys.